Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to update text form on cpagrip and how to update the payment method on cpagrip. Because if you understand the payment method on cpagrip or text form, then you will able to do it for another CPA network also. So I don't want to talk to you so many. Let me show how I do this. So we open the Google Chrome and first go to cpagrip.com and I log in with my email address and password. Okay, so as you can see here, the payment center and account setting got two signal, so we need to update that. First we put the account setting, and here you can see total two form, one form only for USA and W8 form for all the other countries. So I put first my name here, after I put the country, as usual country Bangladesh, and I put its individual, and the other address you need to put people already have. Then taxpayer identification number, you no need to put anything, just put not applicable. Not applicable, I select not applicable, and last I go to, I again show you one time. The first I put my name, then I put the the important one is the tax identification number. So okay, here I give one signature, I just put my name and it's okay already. I put the save W8 document. Okay, so you can see my account setting signal already gone here, no more problem. Now I will update my payment method. Okay, I'll update my payment method. First I will go to the payment method section. I select Payoneer. You can select the prepaid card or bank transfer, or if you have PayPal you can select the PayPal. Just I put the Payoneer global bank transfer. So you can see here it's got every transaction $3 fee. Okay, now I press the save. As you press save, then you can see in below, when you scroll your mouse, you can see there, click here to register with Payoneer. Click here to register with Payoneer. So I click here the one. If I click here, then it's automatically redirect me to the Payoneer account setup, and you can see here you can see already have a Payoneer account. So I have an account already. Then I press click here. If you have don't account, then you must open an account for payment update. So I have an account already, that's why I put my username, that means email ID. And I put my password. After I press the sign in, okay, as you can see here, you have added a new funding source to your account, and it's automatically again redirect you to cpagrip. You see, until the payment center, the one haven't gone. So if we put the refresh button, or we press the refresh or Control R, then it automatically gone, the sign is gone, and pending link status is active. So guys, after you when you got the got your minimum payment for withdrawal, you just press withdrawal and it will help you for withdrawal. Thank you for today, and if you got any problem to update this or anything else, or any company you cannot update your payment method or W9 form or W8 form, just comment below. I'll show you how you do this. Thank you for today. See you next time, and for more like this video you must subscribe my channel, and like, share with your friend, and comment with your valuable feedback. Okay, thank you.